Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have server access and the right runtime. That prevents wasted troubleshooting later. Once confirmed, install the AFK Console Client and place it in a persistent folder so it won't be deleted by updates. Make sure to back up the default config and retrieve any API token or whitelist entry from Donut SMP. This lets the client authenticate. Finally, run the client once to generate initial config files so you can edit precise behavior in the next steps. Once the files exist, open the main config and set AFK interval, allowed simulated actions, and anti-kick tolerances. You adjust these so the client mimics human patterns without triggering server protections. Next, map safe macros and movement patterns that respect Donut SMP rules, limit repetitive clicks, and include pauses. Make sure to simulate legitimate tool usage if needed. Then test in a private world for 10 to 30 minutes. Watch logs and iterate on timings so the behavior looks natural and stable. You deploy the configured client to Donut SMP during low-traffic windows so you can spot issues without affecting others. Once connected, monitor server messages and client logs for authentication failures, anti-cheat flags, or timing spikes. If you're kicked or flagged, immediately reduce automation intensity, shorter runs, fewer actions, and review timestamps to avoid synchronized patterns. Make sure to rerun tests in a private world after adjustments. Finally, keep backups of working configs so you can roll back quickly if something breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.